Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then let's scroll to find sound. Now we have to scroll down again, tap on advanced, and then scroll to find ringtones. And as you can see right here, we can choose for which SIM we want to change the ringtones. It is divided between both SIM cards, which simply means that you can set different ringtone for the first and different for the second one. So let me pick the first SIM card. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we will have this pop-out window with available ringtones. We can tap on the option none, and then it means that your device will not use any kind of ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. And at the very bottom of this list, on the other hand, we've got this add ringtone option, and after tapping on it we can enter our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear somewhere here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. You can check all of them, and if you want to set particular ringtone, so for example this one, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.